You're watching Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle. I'll show you how to make a classic dish from my parents' native Calabria, polpette di melanzane, or eggplant meatballs. And Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle has veganized it. Plus, we'll make them gluten-free. Let's go to my kitchen and I'll show you how. Saporita. Perfect. You can eat them as a snack as is, in your lunchbox for back to school, back to work, or make a nice parmigiana. Top your pasta with it. so many different ways to enjoy these polpette di melanzane. When you make these recipes, post your photos and videos on social media and tag Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle, and I'll give you a shout out. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please tap the subscribe button to help me keep this show going. And if you enjoyed this episode, like and share it, because it really does help support me making this show, which helps people go vegan and stay vegan. Tap on notifications to be the first to know when a new episode or content drops. Level up with LVL and live your best vegan life.